Abusiafo my mama akwaba de ba Xposed so na epa Christian Atsu ehon sensema yeguso sene kopem se onyankopon bema ye kra na chi krakra ai na eba ye onim se Christian Atsu efiri mu yi enkofo akọ busuafie akoma won ya akoma won hyede ehon sensem bebre de aba ama emra ye de ne ba airport ni ade no enkofo kohwe bebia se ne de ne besi ne ade ne nya no ankofo atwa ya hwe ama ya bisa say there has been a question say would he have the state burial and him fan ye besi ne ade ai ene ebusuafo akwa hu Christian Atsu na omoko hu o mampeni no okasa kakra na yentie nsem na wokan no ye ba na me de ato aso se ye be ma no state burial ana ye ma no state burial ye ko hwe video ana
bien before the say yako so Mr. Minister, President of GFA, you've done well to organize this visit and generally to stay on top of this whole situation. I have to congratulate you on that. We have the last and critical hurdle to overcome. We will work together to make sure that that is done appropriately.
Video yi evidence a say I Christian Atsu Christian Atsu ebusuafo etimi akwa visit the president of Ghana Addo. I ya momo the welcome ometumi nyamre akoho na news abeto dwana say President Addo has announced that the state will assist the family of the late Ghanaian football international Christian Atsu to give the soccer star a befitting funeral. President Addo said he has instructed the chief of staff at the office of the president, Madam Akosia Frima Osei Opare, to liaise with the family, the Ghana Football Association (GFA) and the Ministry of Youth and Sport to ensure that the decision of government is executed. Christian Atsu to be given state-assisted funeral. President Addo. Naturally say Christian Atsu yebema the state burial. The president of Ghana ebe kaun ana amino obino any sports ministry ebe bon omodin akabom ni ama Christian Atsu a befitting burial. We so okay, at least Christian Atsu free no. The president and the government of Ghana are so much concerned. Eja oma dwen ebusuafo no oma dwen player no ene na wo fama ode ma omai ode kan ho ema ye de ne ye den obeye Black Star player bo awabo the position as a player the skills edian kofo e de freno na doye nipe se be wo free mu no ensempo enkofo ekafa na chi ene ade no say empo eba ne ye man this befitting burial then he deserves it. Send you be better than be canon. He deserves whatever he's receiving right now. Now yes, so unyankopon and money cry and yet then see Jojo. Now we and Ghana for area take to all this issue then by the president statement or the buyer and cophobic comment on the buyer no. In Shiraba Yao Emma comment be our say, please no one should donate to the family through any politician. The donation should go straight to the family. Moreover, the family should set up their committee to plan the funeral. They shouldn't involve any politician. We are tired of their loot and share. It be funeral, and so they don't mind squandering their money. I have a solution in Shaba ya comment or the buyer. And it said the trust and the hope the youth of Ghana and what my politician as what because Utimun say ultra say Eja yesi ebema Christian Atsu befitting burial. Ubun say emre bedu so ebema branty befitting burial no. Na empenyifo afa ho alpha bronya di akoko because yeti wo mamu a edu baby just even yeti nkofo video mo say omo mbo ankotena airport anu no ne ye physical puduo cutting to 1 billion they thought just a Christmas tree na anu odin pa enu nti wo share statement na comment abrantie ye ma na chese no ye be hu say ye be twes kakitu bi say o ye mfa nkobo abrantie na suka fa nkofo ase because Christian Atsu a wo film enipa titu ene be yere wo be ba eyi na se on be bon sawa nti abrante kase mu o comment o mai de o kire se ebe ya yembo ye ho modern na yentumi ema family for no enji saska no nkuta ekodi politicians bi a eba be ho akunta kra ebe sa be ye den ntokwa na odefo Kwame Owusu Nyante o say how unfaithful we are as a country. Celestated since Ghana won the Junior World Cup have not been paid his bonus. Na abranti asema wono so odefo Kwame Owusu Nyante say yeah my way we are very unfaithful and I will be say ye yimu kakra na che say ye ndi ye no kra emani sipi say the wote ase no na ya ato no eto bi oban ni tumi yi nani we Christian achu ye ye command be fitting bury ye be hu sika kese ye de beta ye che de be ye but abrantie Celestete and aye papa Celestete as being a coach for the under 20 no World Cup ko ye nji bida in that position abrantie and papa e boy my J World Cup ni bonus e was ye de man as a winner and as a coach ne nsa enkan ene papa hwe no ho kakra de ne ho adwedwe no atimpem eti akonwiem ene oba bonti be ka se me bonus kwa me de J World Cup ma Ghana yem fa ma me the president has not even questioned the Ministry of Sports say hey munye na mukotu abrantie ka e wo ne den e ma no ye nyeye nanso ye ho na recently e bae say the president Bawumiane na pamfo ayere won ho etumi akọ ye friend saying ni fie akọ donate be 50,000 Ghana cedis at the amount. The question we all should ask ourselves say the bonus no was this just less or worth it more than 50,000 na ye de command no na comment e bi so e de buy and say Mama Quality Enterprise I ultimately say we page and comment here. I say the Bible says na enuma bedi na munyuma ebedi mwachi your good work will follow you. This guy is one young guy whose death has softened a lot of heart because he lived to help many. Rest in peace, young man. Not just a Christian, a true and I was sharing Yako and I was chance a day before the because or say when you might be your good deeds will follow you. Comment to all mentions say you're your mapa Christian a true aye, Christian a true we are your treasure or your donations. Christian a true we are your chunk of forward to your school fees. Christian a true we are your chunk of what dedicated so bomb in their lives and all that. It's in a new mapa and I'm even befitting bury a money and they HS a muma panel because on your footballer. Your footballers be bromo from our Ghana. They are more state barrier. But no say do so near man state barrier. Then that means and your mapa why and ama yashra swama ama penyi so e kas ye man this befitting barrier as send a different state barrier. Na Mohamed Salah we the minim say Ghana ni we name Mohamed Salah or Liverpool. Or say why didn't the state assist to rescue him? We a questioner oja umbaka say we free we but the question is say I'm not Christian achu wu ya I say wayera ni na nim say wawu because na ade sie na nkofo wo under rabbles aye hwehwe money ade asoba bia survive but say sika na ebetumi nya kwan asay say be state barrier adenti na brantie eyira ye ya ma state na mbo modi ama ya nkohwehwe no ansa na asembeba ye wa abasudo bi ade bi e de be mana na nke de ama no de bi yentumi anye de anye report bi aba bontin so a kire say an Christian achu wo hwe autopsy ya a kire say Christian achu when we exact day a ye ka say wa yira no na kire say he died 6 days after na kire say Ghana for ye also ye di so ya okaka because ye wodi ye betuma ye bia nka ye betuma ye betuma ko hwe Christian achu aba ana ahun say oh sometimes say war bros wo hwe pictures e circulate a bebia wo shepa no ne hu me kra eye den ete na ensema ye de pa Victor Yani say that's all they know. Mr. President, I'm very sorry for you waited for him to die and do this for him. Meanwhile the state couldn't attend to rescue him. Rest in peace, Christian Atsu. See and all the tour. Not just say I the ni ye wa funu ye do funu ye pe funu abranti ra ye ntumi ankwanko ye den ankwanko hwehwe no na the lali amwa or say you have money to support the family for his burial yet you couldn't assist during the rescue operation. Your ambassador to the country also couldn't help. Ebusia edofunu. Na chese the nkofo concerned about say even the class after 6 days grand son and no. Na chese we had the chance to make this guy survive because the president of Ghana, the state, has what it takes to go and help in rescuing Christian Atsu when this rubble happened. Say your my way, you train the pound a pa a dear. Nebusia for aha and a medal a pessimia mede and semi a bro mede limo elegant kwame amagan over to me after me effort. That's a name if you see Shaman Crown. Bye bye.